Hello everyone, hope you are doing okay. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create mockups using Canva. The first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com, and with Canva you'll be able to create an account for completely free. All you'll need to do is enter some basic information, for example your email address, and create a password. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see apps, you're going to tap right there. After you have done that, you're going to see smart mockups right below recommended, as you can see right there. If you don't see that, all I'll do is simply tap in the search bar right here, and you're going to type in smart mockups, then you're going to tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and it all depends the type of mockup that you would like to create. For example, if you would like to create a packaging mockup, you could do that by tapping on packaging. So for example, if you would like to create a mockup for a cosmetic product, or for a beverage or supplement or bags or boxes, you can see that you can use these templates. All you'll need to do is tap on it. If you would like to create a mockup for a t-shirt or hoodie, all you'll need to do is tap on apparel. Then from there you can see sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, sportswear, and you can scroll across and you can see the different categories right there. If you would like to create a mockup for home and living, as you can see here, you can create a mockup for mugs, pillows, candles, and other stuff. So you simply have to choose the category that you would like to create a mockup for. In this example, I'll simply tap on apparel, and let's say I'm creating a mockup for sweatshirts. I'm going to tap on sweatshirts right here. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see the different templates that you can use. Keep in mind that any template that you see with a crown that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But it is worthwhile to sign up to the paid plan if you have the funds. But let's say I would like to use this particular mockup. All I need to do is simply tap on it. Then after you have done that, you're going to tap on select right here. So let's tap on select real quick. Then you can tap on upload to upload your design, or you can select one of these designs. I'll select this one right here. Then I'm going to tap on select at the bottom right there, and you can see that it is adding it, and you can see how it looks. It looks very realistic, and that's it. Now all you'll need to do, you can change the color if you want. So you could tap in the color box. So let's say I would like to change the color to green. I could do that right there, and you can see how it looks. I can change it to any other color that I want. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on save mockup. So let's do that real quick. And once you have saved the mockup, you'll be able to share a platform that you want, Etsy or any other platform, any other print-on-demand platform or so on that you'd like to share your mockup on. As you can see right here, all you'll need to do is simply tap on download, and you can see how it looks. It looks very realistic. And again, if I were to tap on the X and let's say I wanted to use a different template, you can see the different templates that I could choose from. And if I were to go back by tapping on smart mockups, again, if you would like to add it for a smartphone or for watches, there are numerous options that you can use, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.